Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you my makeup collection, and it's like really small, or my vanity, or whatever you want to call it. My brother got it from Walmart and I just bought it off of him. Art on this side, my palettes here, my quad palettes, and I'll be showing you all of them. Let me just set you up. So right here, I have my powder, and it just looks like this, like any other powder, but this is like a huge powder. It's in a color light, and I don't know how many. It's a 0.9 ounces. I also have my blush in color peachy pink. I have a bronzer in the color golden light. Looks like this. I use this one a lot, as you could. I also have my translucent powder. And the last thing I have in this little bag is my sun-kissed face powder, but I use it as highlight. It looks like this. I only use this one, but I love all of them because they're so shimmery. They're super nice. The next one, I have my quad palettes. This one was in limited edition, and it's in color All Out Glam, and it has like the black, white, and these shimmery shades. This one's like in gray but has like gold glitter, and then this one's in red but has like gold glitter as well. It's in color Natural Glow. I have Smoky. These are mostly grays, different shades of grays. That's funny. And the white. These are all from the brand Artistry, if I didn't mention it. And this one was in a limited edition as well, and it's in Sunrise. And I love these colors right here. I also have Plumberry. I love this one too because of the purples. I have Spice Bronze, sorry. And I love this one too. But it's so nice. I love these colors. And then the last one I have here is Chocolate. And that one looks like this, and this one also broke. This one was like my first one I ever bought. It's so pretty. So right here I have my Morphe palette. It's the 35F, I think. It looks like this. I love this palette. It's so like pigmented and soft. I love them so much. I love this palette so much. What color do you guys want to see? A burgundy or red? Look at that. They're so pigmented. I love this palette. This is my lip liner, eye pencils, and eye liquid liners. What the heck? My liquid liners. And my eyebrow pencil as well. I have my lip liners here. I need to buy their bases. And then my liquid liner. And it doesn't have anything because I want to collect more of my artistry makeup. And then right here I have this like glitter or shimmery shadow in my corrector, and it's in color light. It's like in a stick form, the liquid form, and it has a mirror, and it's in color light. Right here I have my artistry pure Hollywood contour. Okay, and right here it's empty. Doesn't have anything except these two. I have my lip balms and chapsticks. More lip balms from Maybelline, Rimmel, and CoverGirl. Right here I have my lipsticks, my lip glosses, my matte lipsticks, and my mascaras, primer with SPF 35, highlighting tint, my foundation. It's a matte, a 24-hour lasting foundation, and then I have my Artistry Youth Extend foundation. And then the colors I have over here, I have the colors. This is like a red one over here. Oops. Right there. That's like a red one. This is like a and person, it's more like a brownish purple. And then this is a brown. It's like reddish purple. This one's like a mauve. It's a pinky nude, and then this is a lip balm. And then right here I have this shade. It's in the shade Raspberry Kiss, and it has a mirror and some light. This one's in color Misty Mauve, and then this one's in color Champagne. And then I have this one in color Joy. This one's in color Kiss and Love. And then moving over here, I have my brushes. Like I said in the video, they're from Walmart, Wish, and Amazon. And also, yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and Shop Missy. Some nail polishes. Right here I have some drugstore lipsticks and also Shop Missy lipsticks. Right here I have a Mary Kay eyeshadow palette, and then this Maybelline matte lipstick. Right here I have the New York's color. These I got them from Dollar Tree, and then this is a Wet n Wild. Got it from Dollar Tree. Walmart, it's an e.l.f. corrector. Matte eyeshadow quad, and this is from, I got it a long time ago from Los Angeles. I don't know which one is it. Must have, it's number 1 must have neutral. These are from the brand Beauty Benefit from Dollar Tree. And then I have this LA color bold eye shadow, and then Wet n Wild. And then right here I have my skincare, more brushes, my deodorant, some lotion, and nail polish remover, my tweezers, and my eyelash curler. Right here I have all my highlighters. This is a LA Girl highlighter, and the color 101 watt. 110 watt. Then I have my Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and the color Precious Petals. Then I have this Maybelline Dream Bounce blush, which is like a creamy consistency, and it kind of looks like so weird, like a shimmery highlighter. So yeah. And then I have the Wet n Wild and Wet n Wild, my e.l.f. highlight and Wet n Wild. And then right here I have all my drugstore mascaras. And then I have some lip pencils and lip liners and eye pencils from different brands. Right here I have all my blushes from drugstores. This is my Milani blush, and the color Romantic Rose. I have my Wet n Wild one and Rose Champagne. I have e.l.f., which I think I'm gonna throw this one away. And then the Beauty Benefit again from there, and then these blushes. Right here I have all my beauty blenders, my elastics, bobby pins, and then more elastics, mini elastics. Then pads, my cotton pads and Q-tips. This is my mirror. Overview of what I have. I put this in my room tour as well, so my lights are right here. So yeah, those are Wet n Wild brushes. I got them from Dollar Tree. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It looks like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video, and I hope you like this. So if you did like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.